Question 12c, we have this sine squared cosine squared of pi over 8. Now, we want this to, we first have to recognize that this is the double angle form, but we want two sine pi over 8 cos pi over 8 first. So I'm going to start with sine pi over 8 cosine pi over 8, and I'm going to put the square on the outside of all this. That is equivalent to what we started with. Okay, so that expression I have here is exactly the same as what we started with, but now we need to make this a double angle identity, so we need to include the 2 in there, but that 2, or 2 squared, was not there to start with, so on the outside of the brackets, I need a 1 over 4 to balance off that 2 squared. And it's got to be 1 over 4 because that 2 is inside the squared, so we're going to end up with 4. So now this is the equivalent expression to what we started with. Now we can work on evaluating this. So I have 1 over 4. I'm going to apply my double angle. So 2 sine of pi over 8 cos pi over 8, that's a double angle, so it's going to be sine of 2 times pi over 8. That works out to be the exact value, pi over 4, and then we have a squared on the outside. So looking at my circle here, pi over 4, that's going to be 1 over root 2. So then I end up with 1 over 4, 1 over root 2. That part's going to be squared. So when I square that, I end up with 1/2, and that works out to be my exact value of 1 over 8.